All right, so we're going to power through this last rock cut here, and basically that is it. That's it for this hike. You can see that it's again fairly large cut. And you again can see the that very red colored rock, that oxidizing material, and the rock again very, very soft. There's a nice straight spike. Probably good 20 feet or so, the height of the rock cut here. And you can see the rock cut just continues here. We do have a culvert. No marker, unfortunately. You can't see the mileage. And the rock cut just continues on here. And we do have a section of rail here. I did not know this was here. Again, the things you find when you come in springtime. Not sure if we can identify it. Oh, you can't see anything. It's all worn off. There's another telegraph pole down there. Oh, we have an insulator on there. I'm gonna go take a look. There's a Dominion 42. There's a green one on there too. Yeah, it's broken. That's why she's still there. It's wet and sloppy here. Yeah, it's broken, and so it's either a Hemingway or a Brookfield. Again, I'm not an expert on these things. Notice how nobody stole the Dominion 42s. Okay, so last little stretch here of today's hike. We're actually stopping right up here, and I'll explain why. If the dog gets out of my way, I don't run her over. All right, so this is the end of our hike for today. We are right at the beginning of this sort of long embankment here through this very swampy area, just right up there. And maybe I'll walk you to there, or maybe ride you to there. Let's ride you to there. It'll be a little quicker. You can actually see down here, you can actually see the bases for the cribs for the telegraph poles in the swampy area. Here, over here, it's all frozen. So right up here, right where you see this this tree, right beside the grade, and we do have a culvert marker. We'll see if there's some mileage on there. Probably a boring metal one anyway, but we'll see if we can see the mileage. Oh man, 160, 169 point something. I can't read that. 32, 169.32 maybe. All right, so right up here, right where this tree is, this is actually the start of the siding here at Pearl. So this is Pearl Station, and the station, quote unquote, would have been, this is the flag stop, but basically there is a section house still up there. And so basically you can see right where the siding starts here, you can see how it kind of branches out. So we're gonna stop here because we're going to come back and do this section again. I've been through here before, and you're going to see the reason for that. And there's a pretty good explanation, but I'm not going to get into it right now, and you'll get into that in our next episode. All right, so hopefully you've enjoyed today's exploration. Again, we're going to be back just as soon as we can in a little bit warmer weather to do this next section, and so stay tuned for that.